Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Creative Digital Hacks. Have you ever boosted a Facebook post, spent money, but got zero sales? You're not alone. Most people make mistakes when boosting posts. But today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to boost your Facebook post the right way, so it actually brings sales. Let's dive into the exact steps. Step 1. Choose the right post. Not every post should be boosted. The best posts to boost are, firstly, a clear product photo or video, like. Secondly, a customer review or testimonial post. Thirdly, a short demo video showing your product in action. Step 2. Set the goal. When boosting, Facebook will ask, "What's your goal?" For selling, choose one of these two. 1. Get more messages. If you want customers to contact you directly on Messenger or WhatsApp. 2. Get more website visits. If you already have an online shop, never choose the wrong goal. It decides whether you get customers or just likes. Step 3. Audience targeting. Targeting is everything. Here's what to do. At first, location. Choose your city or country where your buyers are. Secondly, age and gender. Match it to your product. For example, women's clothing. Target women aged 18 to 35. Interests. This is powerful. If you're selling fitness products, target people interested in fitness, gym, healthy lifestyle. Never target everyone. It wastes your money. Step 4. Budget and duration. Start small. Set a daily budget of $2 to $5 for 2 to 3 days. Daily budget is better than lifetime budget because you can test and adjust. If the ad works, increase the budget slowly. Step 5. Creative and call to action. Use a bright, clear product photo or video. Add short text in the caption. The price, the benefit, and a strong call to action. Here is a short example. Step 6. Track results. After boosting, always check the results. Look at reach, clicks, and messages. If you're not getting results, change your audience or your creative. Boosting is all about testing and improving.